classic. Kenny, windows and walls. Wah, wah, wah. Closet. Window. Completely done. Walls with a roof. With a couple recesses with illuminations. Skip, skiddly dip. Walk up in your house. You got a cave with a light. This is for your art project. Skip up. Skip it up. Skip it up. Skip. Always good to see a broom. Whoa, pretty lit in here. Whoa. Poop, chamber. Yo, every room is done. Every room is done. We're in your closet, in the closet. We got a bunch of dusty walls, finished walls in here. Always good to see. A bunch of roofs, bunch of recessed, bunch of air too. Yo, are you seeing this right now? Are you seeing this right now? We got a done room. Done room, poop chamber, small and medium sized, done in Brad Street, we got a done room, poop chamber, you're moving that, what are you doing? That's got to go over. Pretty big couple. It's nice to see some garb. We've been missing y'all. This is a new develop edge guard. This is a little diff than that shit. Yo, this is awesome. Crete sacks. Thank you guys for coming in today. Skeedly beep. Bop. Skeedly. Skeedly. Walk the plank out to your, yo! I left this here the other day. This is my ice pack and my, and the thing that I tied around my knee. I left it here the other day and someone tossed it in the grass. Thanks, guys. This is pretty sick how the light comes in your house. Yo. Couple discardeds. Yo. Here on the outside, looks like we got some brown, a little bit of brown, a little hue, a little bit of a hue. We got all of our light holes up in the front there. Yo, this is getting there. Front yard Zard? Yeah. Thanks for tuning in.